Okay, Habibi.
Habibi, come to Bali.
Habibi, what's your good name?
Gusto.
Augusto.
Yeah.
You from Bali?
Yes, sir.
Say something in Bali. In
Suksama.
Suksuma mean thank you.
Yes.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih in
Jakarta.
bahasa.
Indonesia.
No, you don't go. Go. What's your name?
Wayan.
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 Wayan, very good man.
Yeah,
Nice
Wayan.
tattoo, Wayan. I
Nice.
like this
It's
palm
about nature.
for beach.
Yeah.
Mr. Cool guy.
My name Bagus.
Bagush.
Let's come to Bali. Try kahwa.
Qahwa Arabiya. They all speak Arabic. Very nice people.
Keep halik.
Excellent. Let's go.
Then next.
You don't come?
Yeah, I follow you.
Yalla, follow me. Thank you.
Welcome to our place, yes sir.
Thank you.
In here we have some coffee, tea, chocolate and honey.
Mm.
And now I can explain you about we have in here. So this is the first, this one the cacao tree.
Okay.
This is the cacao. In here we use for the hot chocolate and the hot chocolate spicy.
And please.
Okay, so this is the cacao tree, yeah? This one the cacao. In here we making for the hot chocolate and the hot chocolate spicy.
Okay.
And this is the coffee tree, sir. This is the small bean, but this one is still young. We wait until they become in the red color,
I see.
and they become in the red, and ready we pick to use for the Bali'S coffee.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the kurkum, sir.
Oh,
This one, the tree.
kurkum, you know, Arabic,
Yeah.
kurkum.
And the kurkum we grow in from the root. We making for the tea. How to make the kurkuma tea? And this one, ginseng.
Ginseng.
Yeah, and the ginseng same like the kurkum. We grow in from the root. In here we making for the coffee. How
This
to make
ginseng,
the-
same Chinese,
Yeah,
Korean ginseng.
Yeah, but in the Chinese
Good for
making
power.
And the, yes, making for the tea.
Yes,
In
he's
here?
weak. We need give him ginseng.
Good for the energy, yeah.
His wife called me. She said, my husband, not good. What here?
And this for the bees, for the honey.
For the honey.
Yeah,
No money, no honey.
Yeah. In here we have and the special honey from the Bali, sir.
Mm.
In the Bali we have two type the bees. We have in the yellow bees and
This
we
is
have in
tree
the black bees.
for snake skin fruit.
This is
You know?
the tree.
For snake fruit?
Yes.
Yeah, snake skin fruit.
Wow.
And this very dangerous man.
But not fruit in here.
There's enough, yeah.
Not ready for the fruit.
I like it very quiet here.
Be careful, yeah. What is that? The animal luwak, sir. You know about the luwak coffee?
Luwak coffee, or Kopi Luwak, is a unique and exotic coffee originating from Indonesia. It stands out due to its unusual production process. Civet involvement. The Asian palm civet eats ripe coffee cherries, and during digestion, the beans undergo fermentation. This process alters the beans' chemical composition, affecting their flavor. Harvesting and processing. After the beans pass through the civet's digestive system, they are collected, cleaned meticulously, and roasted. Taste profile. Luwak coffee is often described as smooth, with a rich and earthy flavor, low acidity, and unique aromatic qualities.
Oh.
the kitchen for the making for the coffee. And it's some for the processing for the luwak coffee. You come, it's okay, sir. And this one and the
Ginger.
coffee, yes, this one and the coffee bean and the from the poop the animal. But this one after we wash and after we dry.
How you dry it here? With
Yeah. After we dry with the under the sun and then we put in the fire and the roasting, sir. And the roasting and it become the look like this black color and the aroma and the coffee in this one. You can smell?
smell like coffee.
Yeah, like the normal coffee, but the taste the coffee, the sun and the bitter and the different. And the, after the finish and roasting, and then we put in here, we do like this and the ground it in
For
coffee.
for how many minutes you roast it?
1 until 2 hours for the 1 kilo.
Wow.
And the, after the finish, and then we put in here, we do like this and the ground it in the coffee. And the ground it become until we get the powder, and the next the process we put in here, we do like this and the filter the coffee. And the start and the last the process we get the like the powder the coffee, sir, like the instant powder. And it's on the bees for the honey. In here we have also the special honey from the Bali'S, sir.
This is honey,
Yeah, this one for the making for the honey, the bees.
but black color.
Yeah.
Small.
Yes, we have in the yellow bees and we have in the black bees in the Bali'S, sir. And the taste the honey they come in a different taste. You first.
Thank you.
And this is the our distillery. In here we have also in the mini shop. We're selling everything there for the products. But now I give you first the tasting.
I see. This natural or you fix it?
Natural.
Natural. Oh, nice view.
You want sitting here, sir? Or down there? You can choose where you want. But this one good view.
Let's see.
Go.
And now you can follow the menu for the number.
Mhm.
And they start the number 1. And this one for the mangosteen peel.
Hmm.
And this one and the curcum, turmeric.
So one by one. This mango.
Yes.
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
You know mangosteen?
I try, huh?
Yeah, you can try first.
Mangosteen.
Careful, still hot.
hot. Yeah, ريحته مانجو. No sugar or there sugar?
With sugar.
With sugar. Okay. I give 5 out of 10.
Okay.
Next, turmeric tea, kurkum. Smell like my mom kitchen.
Yeah.
Kurkum.
Yum, kurkum. But I think it's healthy. It's
Yes.
good. Okay. Lemongrass tea. So lemon I know, grass,
Lemongrass, you do know?
yani grass. Smell like lemon.
Yeah.
I like this. Hello, what's up, man? Excellent. Rosella tea.
Rosella tea.
Okay, Rosella and
Rosella, this one from the flower.
Flower rose.
from rose. This so far.
This one ginger.
But why this is small? This is too much.
Just add the water. Come
Just
on.
the water.
Ginger. Zanjabil, oh, hot.
Strong.
But healthy, not good for. Yes, okay. 1, 2, 3. I like.
Red ginger.
Again?
Red ginger. Wow, this is strong.
Same, sweet ginger. Okay, tea finish, huh?
Yeah. No, you start this one. Number
Okay.
7. Bali cacao. Hot chocolate. So,
Coca.
yeah, Bali cacao. I give you the English, sir. This one the Russian. This one the English.
This you bring this?
No.
Okay. Coca.
Sino na?
Chocolate. Yes, boss. This.
Super spicy.
Thank you very much.
Yes, $1.
I will give you.
This one the super spicy. And the chocolate we mix with the ginger
No,
and the cinnamon. It's just little bit.
too much. No, I don't want. Okay.
The next is some vanilla.
Coffee with vanilla. قهوة مع الفانيلا.
Different small. You are different small, man.
Yeah, I like this. Tastes like Nestle. Okay.
This one avocado coffee.
Ooh.
Avocado.
Just had avocado ice cream.
Once again. I think once again. You need once again.
Taste
Once again.
different.
Ginseng, this one.
Ginseng coffee?
Yes.
He need.
No?
You like it? Try.
No, I got a bit.
Coconut.
I think coconut.
Okay.
Mm.
Ginseng.
Coconut and vanilla, but coconut. Yeah, you need.
Coconuts. I like coconuts.
Bali coffee. Number 13.
That same like me, man. Cheese. This is strong.
Strong, yeah. It's like Americano. So it's more like Arabic coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
From Arabic coffee.
Mm. Best sayang ever.
Bye-bye.
Makasih.
Sama-sama.
I love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.